let it roll. So, welcome, welcome, ladies and gentlemen, whoever's watching this, whoever has that much time on their hands to go through rabbit holes on YouTube, welcome to the first episode of Radical Measures podcast. I'm Gaurav Pawar, that fellow, that red t-shirt fellow. What's your name, man? Go ahead,
Noel
tell
Cordero.
them. Noel Cordero, all right.
I just gave up midway. No, I can't tell the world my surname. They can't. They just can't. The typical
Yeah.
people can't.
Yeah, I think most of the people will be just calling you Noel, every
Yeah.
other variation of your name.
It
basically.
will just be that. I know people are saying my name when they get stuck.
Yeah.
Like, okay, I saying my name.
That's why it's balanced with my name.
Yeah,
Gaurav,
Gaurav
everybody.
Pawar. It's done.
It's very easy to remember. You might have a neighbor with the same name. It's there.
You may have.
You may have. You may have this name.
Anyway, let's get on.
But,
This is the
yes.
first episode of
Radical Measures podcast. All right. So we both are comedians and writers, and we were fucked in the pandemic.
after weeks of telling me, no, we need to really show that we are great as writers and we're doing well. It's like we were fucked in the pandemic.
I mean,
straight away.
as comedians, we were, right? I mean, there were Zoom
the thing
shows,
that we
yes.
liked is gone.
Yes, I mean, live shows were not happening, and how are we supposed to go out and do anything, dude? Like, of course, the lockdown has to happen. Nobody's complaining, like, but the disease in itself is ridiculously
Yeah.
irritating.
Especially when it's
more than
easier
that.
for everyone else to break the law and do what they want to do.
Exactly.
And
Basically,
we can't.
Yeah, and so coming to the point, the name is Radical Measures because these are radical times.
Yeah.
Okay, it's a pandemic. Like, what are you going to do? You know, you have to come up with shit, dude. You have to make shit happen. You have to make it work.
This is the time to hustle.
Yeah.
to match the influencers.
Because I'm telling you, buddy, even if you are stationary, we have to somehow be flowing in the river of that internet content thing, you know?
Yeah.
I mean, you
If
have to
you're-
be out there.
Now there is a clear slope. If you're stationary, you're going down it.
Oh, yes. So, that's why we came up with this, man, because it's what were you going to do? We don't have enough money for a studio, so we made it with our house.
The house only.
The house only became that, like, that's it. Like, we can't do anything better. So, what we did end up thinking was, since live shows are not a possibility and whatnot, let's just do this.
Yeah, because
Alright.
jokes endure.
Yeah, I mean, and we are going to try it. And honestly, there's so much of content out there. Give it a shot. If you like it, keep on listening. If not, fine, because it's a crazy world we live in, man.
Yeah.
I mean, if you
you
just
know-
start picking up on things, it's a crazy world.
Here's a great pitch. You know how doctors are there for the sick people? We are for the healthy people. We are there for you people who are corona free. All these 2 lockdowns, what have you been doing? Saving yourself, being away from corona. You
Oh
deserve
my
something,
God.
no? Listen to this.
Wow. Yes.
I'm selling
Go
myself.
for it, buddy. Let's sell
completely
ourselves.
saying, yes.
Let's sell ourselves.
This
It's
is worth
time.
it.
It's time we whore ourselves the way we want to whore ourselves
Yeah.
out. Just choose that part of it. Because
Yeah, I'm a whore, but I keep my own nickname. Okay.
yeah, exactly. We come up with our own nicknames. That is what we do. But see, a podcast is basically what we are going to do is just 2 people, comedians who are going to talk. Okay, we're going to talk about a lot of things. And if you don't believe a lot of things are interesting, just look around you, man. You've been stuck in the house because of a virus. Okay, and what a crazy thing to comprehend, right? To wrap your head around that, oh, is it there in the air or not? The invisibility of it makes it so scary. Everywhere people go, like, at the beginning of the pandemic, was losing the first few layers of my skin.
Huh.
With the sanitizer and whatnot. Yeah, dude, my body was just not used to hygiene, apparently.
Yeah, and like alcohol in that part of the body. Like, no.
Yeah.
This was not for external use.
Yeah. The hand still smelled the same because if
Yeah.
you drink, then it's going to happen.
No, it had
But-
menthol.
Yo-
And smelled like cigarettes.
Oh, yes. Yeah. That is true. But, this whole thing with the vaccination and whatnot, let's just jump into it, all right? As far as the vaccination drive is concerned, I have a bit of good news because my society is going ahead with vaccination, dude.
Yeah, nice, no?
Nice. It feels nice.
Nice, no? So you've been paying that maintenance fee.
Exactly.
And this is what I want.
This is
This.
why. This is why we subscribe.
The building doesn't collapse.
Yes.
And this.
Yes.
These are the
Safety
two
includes
reasons.
life.
Life. Yes.
Not just the fact that the building is maintained. Our life. Because
And it happened without a meeting?
No. Of course,
With a
this
meeting?
thing cannot happen without any.
Physical meeting.
No, not physical. Like it was socially distanced and whatnot properly. And most of the people have already gotten vaccinated because most of the people are old enough to be in the society. There's no young people
No.
who use carom board and then decide what happens
So
with
like
society.
Corona happening and the elevator shutting down will have the same effect.
Yeah,
on your society.
exactly. So basically, they're starting this drive, thankfully, and we subscribe to it. But as usual,
Subscribe.
yeah, we subscribe to it because the
Yeah, because
procedure
it's got
was
two
that.
doses.
Yeah, no,
There are
because
2 doses.
I'm telling you, not just 2 doses. The whole scenario was the same. I'm giving the same information that I give to Amazon to subscribe to Prime. My name, my last this, all of
Aadhaar
that.
card,
Yeah,
this, all this shit, yeah.
I'm giving them all of that. Okay, and now they basically it's a paid thing because come on, man. Have your expectations in place. Okay, and it makes sense. Like because all they're charging is like 1,000 rupees or something. Okay, like for which is fair enough. All right, because I pay 1,600 rupees for Wi-Fi for 3 months. So vaccine makes my life is worth 1,600 rupees.
At least.
I'm paying 1,600 for boredom. Like
For options.
yeah, like if I'm bored, I want Wi-Fi. So I'm paying 1,600 for 3 months. This is fair enough. I'll give 1,000 rupees. But people complained.
Yeah. Of course.
We had a few people who complained that why isn't it free?
Can we get a better deal?
Yes.
Okay, because
Yes.
this is life.
Yes.
Okay, life is supposed to be free.
Yeah.
You thought about inalienable rights. Yeah, now is where I take it.
Yeah. But it's such a stupid thing to argue upon because if you look at the ease of it, you don't have to go stand in a line. You don't have to Coven registration, all of those horror memes that had come out on the internet.
Yeah, memes don't apply.
Yeah. So here, like, it was fine.
That's actually a good thing, huh? If memes don't apply to your life, you have ascended.
Because
memes are a reflection of common people's problems.
Exactly.
If memes don't apply to you, life is better.
In a good place.
Yeah.
Especially like the bullshit part of it is taken care of. You just have to go, be a nice person, pull up the sleeve.
Yeah,
and
wear a
look-
half sleeve shirt, by the way.
Yeah.
There's so
Yeah.
many photos of people wearing and doing this. Like, kya hai?
It's like people wore formal clothes because they were like,
इसलिए तुम लोगों को पकड़ के बोलना पड़ रहा है कि पहनो मास्क. This is that group who are like, yeah, इधर सुई लगने वाला है, full sleeve shirt.
Yeah, it's basically you're not looking at functionality of anything.
No.
You're not looking at the purpose and functionality of anything. You're just going ahead and like, why do you? And there are going to be people, who are going to believe in a lot of different things about like there's too much fear mongering going around because that's I think with illiteracy, dude, there's a lot of fear mongering around vaccines. Like a lot of people, there are conspiracy theories that you die if you take the vaccine.
Wow.
Yeah, dude, it's a legit
So there's
thing.
a thing called vaccine.
Yeah.
The meaning of the word is it will save you from disease.
Buddy, I'm telling you, like the way illiteracy works with trying to understand this pandemic, it's such a big barrier.
Yeah.
I'll give you an example. Like at my house, we registered for the maid to get the vaccine also. Na?
Huh.
And my mom's explanation for it was amazing, because what she said was, the other 3 family members are men.
Huh.
Okay, and she has 2 sons and a husband. Okay,
Huh.
so she's like, these men will go wherever and take it, but where will she go? Like, where will she go? Like, let her, so only we are vaccinating one family member, which is a nice thing.
Yeah.
It's a nice thing. We're still vaccinating
better than
somebody.
0.
Yeah.
So, and come on, you're getting
Yeah.
vaccinated through a society.
Exactly.
These people are not messing with their health.
Exactly.
If anything, they're getting a good vaccine.
Yeah, like it's a
Yeah.
properly sanitized, like 4 hours sanitized the whole clubhouse and whatnot. Fucking that level
Oh
shit.
my
Okay.
god, they busted the
Yeah,
clubhouse.
everything. Yeah, it stopped. No, you can't play carom and whatnot till the vaccination
oh
is
my
done.
God.
Everything is like spick and span and everything. Alright, so
You can't play carom.
yeah, you can't.
It's like, ये जिंदगी का सवाल है, प्लीज
Yeah.
तेरा रानी वो कवर वगैरह छोड़ प्लीज.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
And even then, kids were like, "वो green mat डाल दो ना, बारिश वाला, उस पे चल." अरे, these people just don't.
Wait, what? Outside the clubhouse?
No, inside the clubhouse. So they are basically saying ki put those mats and we'll only walk on the mats to the carom board, play it and come back. Like they're basically like playing land lava game
Yeah, डोंगर पानी दे over there.
with sterilization. with something that no germs have to be in that place and whatnot. Okay. So anyway, we are getting this, the maid, two of the people who work at our place. I'm trying to sound so politically correct. I fucking maids, bro. अभी क्या करेगा वो लोग, अब बेचारे का life है ऐसा. But anyway,
it doesn't elevate.
Yeah, it doesn't.
Delivery
it doesn't.
executive.
Yeah.
It's still a delivery
Yeah,
boy.
that's the thing. No,
You still have to tip him.
let's be honest with it, right?
Yeah.
More than anything else. So, but anyway, we are getting her and the lady who comes to cook. We are getting both of them vaccinated, and my mom had to have 2 separate conversations with both of them
Huh.
to quell their fears, because the maid basically went and said, "I've heard information from where? From my village, that if you get vaccinated, you die." And there's no in between. No, you fall sick and whatnot. Like, you die.
They just sweet डालता है और मार.
Yeah, because and at that point of time, I realized.
Is this a vaccine from life?
No, because like it made me think about what, Noel, that they have so much of lack of information with any sort of hospitalization scenario or even like medical care scenario. Like there is such less knowledge about it because they couldn't afford to mostly go,
Yeah,
like,
there is no doctor.
yeah, they go to chotu motu doctors, people who
Anyone with a white coat
yeah.
can be like, I'm doctor.
Yeah,
In
no,
that scenario.
but like, so they don't know that much about what is a vaccine as far as an idea is concerned, and there were 2 different conversations, and both of them, they had heard the same rumor that, oh dude, if you have
But it what do you call it? It mutated into 2 different things.
no.
Like इसका मर जाएगा,
No,
इसका
no.
7 जन्म,
No,
अगला
no,
7 जन्म
no.
तुम गांडू ले. Is there something like that?
My mom was Covishield to that conversation. she was in place to be, no, I have taken it. See, I am surviving and I have diabetes also. So don't worry, you take it, and this is good. It is happening here only. You don't have to go anywhere. But damn, dude, that is one thing that I've been thinking about, because it's going to be a task to get 1.3 billion people. Give or
because-
take a few, but still it's
because
in
everyone
billion.
needs that conversation.
Yeah.
Like, and this is still going to be a very interpersonal. कुछ नहीं होएगा.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
Yeah.
Like that conversation
Like
with everybody.
if I see a tempo going across with a loudspeaker,
हाँ.
कि कृपया करके लीजिए वैक्सीन, कुछ नहीं होगा आपको.
Yeah.
I wouldn't be
This
surprised.
will be the first nationwide motivation drive.
Yeah.
Just like how corporates
Yeah.
actually motivation should be very personal, la.
Yeah.
1-to-1. It's like, नहीं, सबको साथ में.
सबको
Like,
साथ
put them in the room. You are all special. All 100 of you.
Oh
It's
my
the same thing gonna happen over here.
Dude,
Please
and,
low.
and these are just 2 examples of like misinformation regarding the vaccine that I came across. Then there's another one that I came across was a rickshaw fellow dude. So basically, there are these moments, Noel, like where life happens to you and you immediately recognize you've made a mistake. But it's, even though you have realized it immediately, it's too late to correct it. Like,
आग लग चुकी है. अब रहने दो.
Yeah, like, and getting into the rickshaw and immediately realizing, fuck, this is the wrong rickshaw, is one of those things.
Yeah, there are no telltale signs of a crazy rickshaw also.
No,
There's
sometimes there are, but most of the times there aren't. Like, you sit
Yeah.
inside and I'm not saying this is not again anything against rickshaw, as if rickshaw wala are listening to our podcast.
Yeah, they'll
But-
just be like,
Yeah,
tomorrow. I saw this guy in my rickshaw the
Yeah.
other day. I gave him good advice also.
And chutta.
And chutta. That's the actual cryptocurrency of
Yeah.
the world. Chutta.
Chutta is the crypto, dude, that we've been dealing with all our lives. Everybody's carrying a little bit of it. But anyway, I get into this rickshaw, right? It looks like it's going
Chutta,
to...
I'll talk. Okay.
Yeah. No, you want to finish the Chutta thing? Go ahead.
Yeah, I was thinking about this, that there used to be times when I would have chiller in my wallet and everyone around me didn't. And I was just wondering, is this all the chutta in the country?
No, that was
Because
basically...
itna shortage lagi raha hai.
No. That is basically you telling, or rather asking yourself, am I really this poor? With different words. You use different words.
No, I got it from transactions of bigger notes. Hello. What are you talking about?
You just said the wallet had chiller, dude.
Yeah,
I was
and other notes and a debit card.
Okay, all right. No, I was like, dude, what do I know, man? You ever had money? Fucking, I don't know, dude. Like, is this like a school thing or whatever where you did not have any money whatsoever? So I was like, fucking, who knows? He's
I
talking
said
about Chutta.
wallet.
Yeah, then it was a fuck all thing in the first place. Then forget about it. Chutta is
wow.
fine.
You laugh. And then I was like, this is a fuck all thing. Yeah. Is this how you treat Netflix shows? Yes,
Yeah,
I enjoyed. Spent all my time, not bored.
Not
A fuck all thing. Please,
No,
no
because
season
I
2.
haven't like seen a lot of Netflix shows throughout as such, you know.
No,
Like,
no.
uh,
Too much to...
yeah,
It's an assignment after a
yeah,
certain
yeah.
point.
But anyway, we took a diversion to Chutta.
Rickshaw.
We were speaking about that. Yeah. So the rickshaw fellow, right? I get into the rickshaw, right? And immediately the first thing he says is meter nahi chal raha hai. तो you know कितना होगा आप दे देना करके. So I was like, हाँ ठीक है, मेरे को मालूम है 250 कुछ तो होता है. So like नहीं साहब 300 तो होएगा.
मीटर का रेट बदला है.
हाँ yeah, that thing.
और like IIT बंद है. तो मैं सर्विसिंग के लिए भी नहीं लेके.
Exactly. And he added
IIT को
those
भी ले
layers.
हाँ.
You know, he added those layers. He said कि मतलब अभी धंधा भी कम होता है, इसके लिए कराया नहीं है वगैरह करके.
Find it in your heart.
Yeah. मतलब you have to pay
Come
this
on,
much. like I gave you the option, but you can't exercise the option of choosing how much to pay. I will choose.
That was the largeness of my heart.
Yeah.
Now show me your heart.
Yeah.
अभी बताओ आपका
अभी
दिल कितना.
देखो politeness बताया ना मैंने.
See, I can be human. You can also.
You can also be human. So
In my khaki, I can be human.
Exactly. Dude. So no, and he said he wasn't wearing the uniform.
No.
Because he said बोनी इतना कम होता है, वर्दी पहनने का मन नहीं होता है. He said that. Dude. He's like, मतलब मैं यूनिफॉर्म पहनेगा और फिर मैं कम ही कमाएगा, उससे अच्छा let me just believe that I'm roaming around and somebody sits in
Yes.
and then that person gives me money.
Yeah, being reminder of being employed
Yeah.
with this money is not worth it.
Yeah, because anyway, see, the meter is not working.
Yeah.
The officialness of being a rickshaw driver is absent. So why put myself through it? And he's telling me that, okay, in the first like 1-2 minutes and whatnot.
हाँ.
So I was like, हाँ ठीक है, नहीं अभी मतलब you know इतना ये भी नहीं हो रहा है, बोनी भी नहीं हो रहा है वगैरह करके. बोला नहीं ठीक है चलेगा 300 रुपये, it's fine. You know, as long as I don't have to get in a crowded bus or whatever, it's cool, dude. It's nice. So I get in and I'm like, I understand, like, you know, मेरा भी ये अभी खत्म होने तक अपन सबका ही थोड़ा सीन है. सब लोग का वैक्सीनेशन होने तक लगेगा टाइम, फिर हो जाएगा चालू. ऐसा I'm trying to give him hope.
And that tripped him.
Yeah, like I'm trying to give him hope because like dude, he sounded at that moment like, oh my god, like fucking, you know, if you wouldn't have been here, like I would have, you know, jumped. Like, you know, like he had that face, but then I realized he's such a good actor, dude. Like his face is so expressive because the moment I mentioned vaccination,
He came to Bombay with a dream.
yeah, exactly. You know. And he is living that dream. by the looks of it, he is.
One audience member at a time.
Yeah, one audience member at a time.
Reminds you of someone?
Yeah.
Most
Most comedians. The whole scene, mostly. You know, even good comedians on a weekday will have like 3 people. All right, let's try my shit out. But anyway, not to pat ourselves on the back too much.
No, Zoom shows. Sorry.
But yeah, I mentioned that, yeah, vaccinations सब हो जाएगा, खुल जाएगा सब, फिर it will be fine, don't worry, ऐसा करके. तो he whipped around, dude, while riding the rickshaw. He just yeah, and he said, कुछ भी करके वैक्सीन मत लेना साहब.
कुछ भी करके. No matter what you do.
Yeah, and I was like, our relationship is 5 minutes old, dude. You can't tell me what I should do with my life. Like, what liberty are you taking, man?
कुछ भी करके please सामने
देखो आप चला रहे हो.
This is more important.
Please pay attention.
Yeah.
So he was like, मत लेना क्योंकि वो वैक्सीन लोगे ना तो फंगस पकड़ता है, फंगस. I was like, क्या bro, शांत. And I was overwhelmed with misinformation, like the degree of misinformation.
Oh my god, this is too wrong.
Yeah, like these
Like,
dots should not be connecting.
Now you felt that despite not doing anything to help people, like this is something that we both follow as a principle.
yeah.
Like, no, this needs to be stopped.
Yeah, this needs to be stopped, dude. But he kept on going, and he kept on unfolding levels.
Yeah, this is when you discover real India. Like, ये हो रहा है.
Levels of nonsense. Where the first thing was that कि fungus पकड़ता है वगैरह. Then the next thing was मेरे चाचा ने लिया था वैक्सीन, उनके दांत खोलने पड़े, पूरा फंगस पकड़ लिया है दांतों में वगैरह. Like he basically went ahead and said that, and then he went a step beyond that and said आखिर में देखो भगवान के ही हाथ में, मतलब भगवान अल्लाह जो भी है, आप जो भी फॉलो करो उनके ही हाथ में है कि कितना जियोगे वगैरह वॉट नॉट, जितना लिखा है उतना जिएंगे अभी और क्या. एंड आई वॉज लाइक, अरे यार तेरे को सब समझाने को गोवा ले आना पड़ेगा मानो है रिक्शा में. लाइक आई हैव टू कवर लाइक एटलीस्ट 1,000 kilometers in the rickshaw.
Just walk.
Just first step. This is how virus works, as far as I know. But this is what makes sense. This is all we have agreed on it. Don't say fungus पकड़ता नहीं होता है वैसा. It's a different thing, Please take vaccine.
कोरोना, not कोरोना वायरस, वैक्सीन से.
Yeah.
कोरोना और कोरोना का वैक्सीन में फर्क है.
Damn, dude. That's another thing about vaccines that I've noticed. Like that's why vaccines usually need to have in their name like some relation to the disease.
Yeah. नहीं, otherwise the vials will get confused, ना?
Yeah.
क्योंकि जो इंजेक्शन लगा रहा है वो हमेशा पढ़ा लिखा नहीं रहेगा.
It will need a proper shield का thing and whatnot, and baba कि this is Covishield, this is and just go for it. I'm going for Covishield, man. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah.
That's your brand.
Christopher got Covaxin. Comedian, sorry. This happens. We will be clarifying whenever I make the mistake or he makes the mistake.
Small footnote will be there. Catch up.
Yeah.
Is quick internet.
Yeah.
You're getting 4G speed.
Yeah. And man, apparently, as far as the vaccination thing is concerned, I think it will take some time, of course, for that to happen.
Yeah, 1.3 crore. Or more.
No, more.
130 crore. Something.
Don't go to convert. It's too much math and too many zeros for people like us to even think about. Because we don't have anything close to that many zeros in our life. So not even think about it. Let's not let's not remind ourselves.
Picturing the number of zeros.
Yeah.
My mind ka space.
Yeah.
I don't have that many columns in my head.
Exactly. So let's not even go for that. But it's going to take a long time, man. But people are losing patience.
Yeah.
People are behaving like they're losing patience, man. Did you check out that news? Like first of all, the good thing about this whole thing is that a few of my relatives who used to keep on pestering me about marriage or whatever stopped.
Dead or
no?
Stopped.
I think the fear of death made them stop.
Yeah.
Because
like this is that.
Yeah, because they might be thinking there's no point in asking him to get married because I have to survive this to be there.
No, they're also like, शादी में जाने नहीं मिलेगा तो शादी क्यों करें?
Exactly. Like, yeah. I want to be there.
The whole point of marriage is I get to see it.
Exactly.
I get to see you do whatever.
Yeah.
अगर मैं नहीं हूँ जज करने के लिए तो शादी थोड़ी है.
Exactly. That's the expectation, right? But thankfully, like none of them, the pestering stopped completely. But people are still getting married. They are getting married in a pandemic.
Yeah, that fun news.
That hasn't stopped. People are getting married and people are trying to find innovative ways to, because I think somewhere down the line, people who decide to get married in the pandemic, they just have a lack of faith with timelines. you know, like
Explain.
in the sense that they are like, yeah, it's going to take long.
Huh.
It's not going to get over very quickly.
I have scheduled my 25th anniversary already.
My life has to continue.
Yeah. Mill rare round figure
Huh.
already.
Exactly. And maybe there is a certain amount of fear also with the fact that you have decided to sign up to this contract of marriage, and then the prolongingness of it might make you change your mind, probably, like, oh fuck,
I
what
think
if I
one of the things that has convinced people, especially people where the parents didn't agree for the marriage, is like
Yeah.
in Corona also he has a job. Or she
yeah.
has.
Yeah, of course.
Then to good. Then to this person is
If
really good.
there's job security in a pandemic,
Yeah.
oh my god, dude, this
And
is
that also non-doctor job.
non-doctor
Non-doctor
job,
job.
non-doctor job.
He won't die on me or she won't die on me.
Because the doctors, poor people are getting beaten up, man.
Dude, it started with that guy who's in charge of of our vaccine, the Pune guy. He's from Pune.
No, Adar Punawala, yeah.
People threatening him, give me the vaccine.
Yeah.
No, you need him. In this dynamic, you need him.
Yeah, I know, but that's the thing, dude. People suck in so many different ways.
Huh.
And it's going to happen like that, the whole power struggle and whatnot, it's going to be there. But that's still fine, like that's okay. Like speaking about, like, you know, the idea of getting married and whatnot. You know, shout out to the doctors, of course. Fucking, you shouldn't get beaten up. Please don't beat up doctors, man. You know, but it doesn't make any logical sense, dude, in any scenario.
You saying this also doesn't matter because people
know.
Watching this are not
exactly. I'm like, it's almost like
all influencers say, please don't beat up. You're not reaching that.
It's like I'm telling my own reflection.
Yeah,
don't beat up. Don't beat. Don't beat doctors.
In a way you are, because the selfie camera
exactly.
is on.
Exactly. It's so retarded. But if you see a doctor getting beaten up, try and stop. Don't be a pussy then. Like, help the doctor. Right? No, okay, don't. It's fine.
Because the guy is beating the doctor up, very scary.
Yeah, very scary.
They've
Call for help.
They've been doing it all their life.
Yeah, okay. Call for help.
Saving people I have never done in my life.
Call for
and
help.
The first time will not be when one of the beating person has just lost someone.
Yeah, you're not a martial artist.
No,
you
I'm
don't
not.
know anything. You just look at a bigger person and ask him to help. That's what you do.
You just call some.
Exactly. Yeah.
Tell other doctors.
Yeah.
Someone's getting bit. Your guy.
Yeah. But anyway, speaking about marriages as such, see, this will happen a lot. This is how the brain works.
Yeah.
This is how the brain works. It goes in different. It's basically like I always think like the comedian's mind is more often than not like a car drifting. Like it's in the drift all the time. You know, it's like then another turn.
Something makes me feel that, you know, most comedians do badly in school and whatnot.
Yeah.
Something meaning if you teach all 6 subjects together in a classroom, then comedians will succeed. Because that's I'm focusing on 6 things at the same time.
Yeah. But
and then there won't be comedians. So that's the downside.
That's the downside.
That's
Yeah.
the downside.
Yeah, that's the downside. They won't exist only. That's the downside. But
that's the thing you give to people. Tell people who are against comedy and whatnot. This is how you stop. Get 6 teachers in one class.
Oh my God! Please don't. People will try that, dude. People will try anything to stop stand-up. Sometimes.
Then it will be fun to just see. Like first you'll have to recruit 6 teachers.
Oh, Don't go down this thought. Don't give it structure of any sort. This is a stupid fucking thought. Don't give it any validity. Don't give it time. Okay, we were speaking about marriages. Time-consuming things. All right, we were speaking about that. But people are getting married, and of course there are certain rules and regulations in place in terms of, you know.
Which is useless.
No. I mean, some people are doing it legitimately. Like, there's no point in shitting on people who followed everything. Like, okay, we only called 15 people or 5 or whatsoever. You know, it's cool. It's fine. That's okay. But then there are
approval, no?
and approval in the sense, because see, how much of an authority do I have to judge somebody on the basis of, I don't know their life story and whatnot, whatever they are doing. Maybe this is giving them hope, you know. Like, oh, I want to start a new phase in life, even if it's in lockdown. Just start. Like, you know, it's better to have somebody with, okay, fine. And if you're doing it and nobody gets corona, amazing. Like, and if you follow the rules, of course. But then
is this couple.
Then there are some people who try to find loopholes, and they think they are so smart that they have legitimately found a way around things that big societies and intelligent people and medical professionals have come together to write and whatnot. Like there's a couple it was in they were in the news. This couple basically decided to get married in a plane. they
go in a
they chartered a flight because they said जमीन पर नहीं तो आसमान में कुछ ना कुछ तो करके ये मिलन होकर रहेगा.
इस पे जब डॉक्यूमेंट्री बनेगी there'll be a wedding planner who just like I have the idea, like one George Clooney moment.
It might be remade as a movie.
Yeah, for sure.
Who knows?
What's the name of this movie? आसमान पे लिखूंगा तेरा नाम.
But oh my god, dude, like as far as this thing is concerned, they ended up chartering a flight. Okay, they ended up hiring because they thought that okay, this is the loophole. We can't get a lot of people on land. We will just rent a flight and we'll put everybody in and it's sorted. And of course, it's not sorted because it's a stupid thing to. It's a stupid idea. Okay, and I'm pretty sure that the couple is in trouble. The airlines is in trouble.
Is done.
In the sense, the cabin crew and whatnot, they have all been
No,
served.
but I'm asking couple.
Yeah, they are in trouble. They are in trouble.
You're in big trouble, huh?
You're in big trouble. Yeah.
Okay. So coming back. The couple.
So the flight thing, all right. So this couple basically ended up chartering the flight, and a couple of other people who decided to go are in trouble, and the flight people are in trouble, the cabin crew and whatnot.
People who chose love.
Yeah. So when I read this news, Noel, I'm telling you honestly, like the first reaction that I had was, oh, what the hell, and the second was, this is just an indicator of how like big the love story genre is.
Yeah.
In the entertainment sector, like love is such a big theme in everything that most of the big hits are love stories, dude. DDLJ. This is DDLJ's fault. DDLJ's fault. Dude.
Yeah, if there is a post-credits scene of DDLJ, it is Raj and Simran taking Fera inside the train.
It is like a Ja Simran Ja moment, because
he's announcing, on this because boarding began Simran.
Yeah, because remember why the aeroplane people got in trouble, like the charter people and whatnot. Why did they get in trouble? Because the authorities basically said, okay, these idiots came up with the plan to rent out a flight. Why did you allow it? The groom is not a pilot. They don't know how to fly. How come you allowed it? That's why they are in trouble. And that was when I thought, yeah, that would have happened.
Someone just came and told me, मैं तेरे बाप की तरह हूँ. मेरी बात सुन, and then I allowed.
Oh, because all of the guests are turning up at the airport or wherever it's taking off from in bridal wear.
Yeah, शादी के लिए तैयार.
शादी के लिए तैयार हुआ है, dude. Public शेरवानी वगैरह पहन के आया.
This is not good travel attire. Where are you going?
This is not comfortable.
Is there a
travel
Taj
attire.
in the sky?
And of course, because it's a marriage, there is documentation of the event.
Yeah. There's photos.
There's physical proof of the fact that you're breaking the law. And the problem is, how hilarious it would be if all of the evidence that is being shown, presented in the court of law against you, has you smiling on it. Every photo has everybody's, amazing, this is a lot of fun. And we are all breaking the law together.
Dude, in that photo, you will see an air hostess or rather a flight attendant being demeaned more because they went from the guy who's supposed to take care of people on a flight to like, please gulab jamun leke. That is what they have turned into. Cold drink किधर है? आप लोग वहाँ से start कर रहे हो, सिर्फ लड़के वालों को मिला है, हम लोगों को नहीं मिला है, समझे आप? ठीक है? And people are just taking one person. Where is the chicken tikka? In my box, there is only one chicken tikka. There has to be two.
It's like their importance crash lands.
Yeah.
It's
done.
from the point where they are like there to tell you in case of an emergency, put your head down, वगैरह, mask, all of that they end up telling you. From there to gulab jamun hai kya? What a terrible thing to experience, dude.
There's one guy knocking the cockpit saying, I want to start a song.
Oh yeah.
Please give me the PA.
DJ.
मेरा playlist लगाओ. Pilot तू चला, you are the second pilot, no?
Co-pilot है ना तू,
You are
co
also
है.
DJ. Who sits shotgun decides the music.
Yeah.
Now you know.
Who's riding shotgun in this plane? You will be the DJ of my party.
Oh God.
My godliness. But yeah, this happened.
Dude, one more thing I was thinking. So, what exactly did they do? Like, I'm imagining some version of the Satfera must have happened inside.
Probably. Some, like, maybe just a mobile torchlight and then they walk around it. I don't know.
So they're traveling. And their Muhurat must be changing as the plane is flying. No, because geography also affects Muhurat.
Exactly.
Okay, so the Pandit is telling the pilot, वापस एक राउंड मारो. We need to go back.
एक और चक्कर
मारो. We need to go back. And the pilot is like, ठीक है, okay. And like इन लोग का 7 फेरा चल रहा है and plane भी 7 बार घूम.
And like that guy would have thought of himself as such a hero, right? The groom. Like, he must have had so many
saved
stories
this, yeah.
in his head. Like, not only did I save this, this is a story now.
Huh.
This is like, all
Yeah,
the
I'll walk
relatives.
into any place and I can tell them we had the best wedding.
Forget any place. I'll brag so much
Huh.
in front of, like, I'll be an asshole husband.
You know what I did for you? Dude, now there is so much for that marriage to live up to.
Oh
The
my
wedding
God.
has been so public.
So public.
The marriage has to really tick up.
And
Now to like pura desh bolega.
yeah.
Like we'll be waiting. Give me an update when this couple splits.
No, for this couple to go to the honeymoon also, they'll have to get in touch with NASA. Because flight
You can't
हो
top
गया
it, huh?
Flight हो गया है.
You
शादी
can't top
flight
it.
पे हो गया है.
हाँ.
Why would I fly? Now I will have to fly somewhere
They're
else.
just harassing Elon Musk. Tweeting Elon Musk. किधर है मेरा? किधर है? Like, where is this?
I think that is one thing that will make Elon quit Twitter.
Yeah.
It's just
Bus.
somebody every day to किधर है मेरा?
Hey, look at this new nightie I brought for my honeymoon. I want to wear this.
Oh my God, dude. Elon.
तुम्हारे
Elon.
बच्चे तो बड़े हो गए Elon. मेरे बच्चे अभी तक हुए नहीं.
Damn, dude. What a crazy fellow, now. Dude, he's so famous. He's so famous.
Yeah.
He's so famous that he basically treated the whole cryptocurrency like a bucket of water which he put like a pebble in, or a rock in rather. He just put that in and the fucking thing fluctuated, man.
Yeah.
People were losing
He
it.
proved that, okay, yeah, see, this is how volatile cryptocurrency is. Imagine if there's a government involved. It's worse.
This is how volatile cryptocurrency is. This is how volatile Twitter is.
Huh.
This is how crazy people are, that they're clued into stuff that they'll just read like 480 characters to whatever 100
And
whatever,
that's it.
and that's it, and they'll change their opinions, dude, based on so few characters. Come on, man.
I think imagine Elon just sitting at a cocktail with a cocktail in his hand with like people around. What do you want me to type next, huh? What do you want me to type next? Come on. Tell me.
No. I always picture Elon doing that by himself. Like, that's
No
his-
friends.
no, by himself, because that is how much he would enjoy doing that.
Huh.
Because it's like he's trolling it basically. He's
Nah.
being that.
Do I tell
No.
everyone that the earth is flat? Is that the next?
He might say it.
He'll say it.
He
Right?
might
Later.
say it. He might. He's a very unique troll. He's a very unique. In a way, I mean, he's a genius, of course. I'm not saying that he's only that. But when it comes to him using social media, especially Twitter, he's a very unique troll. He has a very different. It's like.
His trolling affects society.
Yeah.
It changes society.
Yeah, more than other trolling.
Huh.
Other trolling just angers you and
No, it just
frustrates you and
affects.
whatnot.
It just pushes someone's buttons. He's pushing
Yeah.
society's
Yeah.
buttons. He's
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
you know what? We need to move on from this.
Yeah.
And then he'll just say that.
Yeah, but what a trip to be on, right? In your head, to be aware that you have that much of sway over popular culture,
Yeah.
and you're a scientist. Very few scientists had that sway over popular culture.
Yeah.
Like-
because Isaac Newton didn't have Twitter. That's all. That's the
Yeah,
thing.
probably,
Yeah.
probably, or maybe some scientists might have a bad Twitter game. Who knows? It's not necessary that
dude.
every scientist
Albert
has a good.
Einstein's Twitter game would have been bad.
Oh, bad.
You would have been like, no, this didn't come now.
Oh, dude, Albert Einstein would be in a lot of trouble.
Yeah, he did Me Too and all.
Oh, a lot of Me Too.
Yeah.
Oh my God, his equations would not be enough to equate
No.
and calculate.
I just
Oh,
told
my
that
God.
light has a constant speed. We know you.
Yeah, we know you.
Yeah.
We know.
Always lying.
We have heard about
We've
you.
heard
okay.
about you.
We've heard about you. No, we are not interested.
Let it be.
E is equal to MC square. Fuck you.
Einstein has said, no, don't believe.
Yeah, don't believe.
ठीक है.
Because that's the thing, dude. A lot of, but Einstein also at his point was pretty famous. I mean, not that he wasn't famous, but Einstein is an example of the same school of scientists, or intelligent people who like come. They are like sprinkled over the timeline, Like Tesla. I don't know if Tesla was that famous when he was alive.
Nikola Tesla.
Yeah, I don't think.
No,
I think.
he
Yeah,
was
I don't
quite
know.
instrumental in making New York या कोई तो city का the electric bulb thing ना, electrifying the whole street lamps बनाने के लिए ना, he was quite instrumental.
But उसका तो वो एडिसन के साथ का सीन था ना वो
नहीं
वाला.
नहीं कुछ नहीं, that's all made up. That's
yeah.
a lot of it is made. Current was is a lot of it is quite made up.
Okay.
Hype up किया है बहुत.
Oh, okay.
Like इतना कुछ बड़ा नहीं था वो लोग. He just liked the climate in whatever Sweden and whatnot.
अच्छा.
And more importantly, he started talking shit, dude. He started saying like my pigeon has laser beam and whatnot. So Edison तो बोले okay fine.
No, but Edison was also a crazy fucker, dude.
Of course he was.
Yeah,
crazy.
he was.
He owned a company. Anyone who owns a company is crazy.
Yeah, a little bit. I mean, a little bit. You have to be. But anyway, like at this point of time, he has like almost as if he has a bit more clout than Bezos because.
Yeah, he's got good example of someone with bad Twitter game.
Yeah, who?
Huh.
Bezos. Oh yeah.
Bad Twitter game, no?
Yeah,
like
yeah.
Or not as good
No,
as Elon.
not as
no?
good. Not bad, but not as good. Because I don't think if you have that much money, you can have bad of anything.
Yeah, you'll just hire someone with good
Yeah.
Twitter game and not you.
Yeah.
And
Money.
just be like, make my good Twitter game.
That much money solves a lot of problems. Like you know what? If he can easily have a Twitter game and that could result in a copywriter's life changing. You
Yeah.
know? Like all I have to do is tweet as Jeff Bezos and
It will be like the Twitter equivalent of being Ekta Kapoor's writer. Like, that's it. There's one writer for all those series, by the way.
yeah.
Yeah.
Damn.
A lot of the series, I think, was one writer. At least in the
Either
early.
way, either way, the sheer volume of it and whatnot makes sense that the quality is terrible. You that equation is pretty clear.
Yeah,
you
yeah.
don't need to be
But
Einstein
uska-
to understand
उसका
that.
life बन गया is what I'm saying. वो writer
Yeah, but at what cost, dude? At what cost? I mean, of course, it depends.
No, I mean, if that's the height
it's an
of his,
individual thing.
नहीं, नहीं,
Let's
forget
not
it.
even go there. Why? See, I sounded so old. Every why that I uttered was
10 years more.
Why?
Stop. I can feel the tar in my lungs. Please.
Oh yeah, fuck. Yeah. But I think that's a ये रे क्या बोलता है?
I still hold to my opinion though that 5 years later we may look at Elon Musk and be like, what a scammer. Like, what a scamster.
I feel like less of a scamster vibe because
See, all his ideas are ideas which are like stuff you dream up. You know what I mean? Like, it's
yeah, but he's
It's so
practically
fun.
applying it also in a couple of places. Like,
yeah, 1 out of the 10 ideas, and he's got that cloud because of 10 ideas. Like, they are so, imagine if they are so crazy as ideas, he just said, hi, anyone try it, because he's made it open source. The Hyperloop is open source.
Yeah.
Because it's like, try no, I dreamt up this shit and I've got all the thing for coming up with the idea. You guys try it.
No, but he actually understands how it works and whatnot. See, it's a very different, like, I think you're giving him a very rough time, buddy. I think
don't
you're
know,
judging Elon too harshly.
Yeah, that is my right. That's the only thing I can do.
as if what either of us are saying makes any difference to that guy.
Dude, लोग Bill Gates को seriously नहीं लिया जब वो pandemic predict किया. Like,
Yeah.
it still blows my mind. Like, what more does a man have to do? See, even
Divorce
if you don't,
probably. I don't know.
no. But yeah. Everyone just ignored Bill Gates. Like, dude, he's still with Melinda. Can you take him seriously?
Yeah.
Anyway,
Yeah. So,
what were we talking about?
you were speaking about
Elon Musk. Elon
yes.
Musk or something was it.
And the fact that the whole scamming ka thing, and he's actually going ahead and doing it. He's making it work. Like,
Good for him.
Yeah, good for him. Like, you're giving him a rough time. It's not necessary. As if either of us have enough money to afford anything made by Tesla in the first place.
I can afford opinions.
You can afford opinions. Yes, opinions are affordable.
Yeah.
They are
very
affordable.
affordable.
Yeah.
That's why I'm very pro judgment also.
Yeah.
Judgment also, like, everyone can do it. If you can
Yeah.
do it, you should do it.
Yeah, you should.
It leads to shame, which
Yeah,
makes people hide a lot of stuff that you don't want to see.
Like, because see, if you think about it, I am expecting to see Tesla cars only with celebrities, dude. Like only celebrities are going to buy it.
Huh.
I don't think like, and maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm mistaken. Maybe there are some like people, you know, who have money, dude. Because there are so many like luxury cars which are sold in India and whatnot. Like a crazy amount of luxury cars that are sold to the extent that we have like brands like what Audi, Aston Martin. You fucking name it, you'll get it here. BMW, all of those brands are here. But Tesla. It's what 60 lakhs something.
Huh?
I don't know. It's crazy.
That's
like,
a house.
Yeah.
That's a fucking house.
Yeah, that's a house. That's a house.
Yeah,
That's
and
how
if you don't charge your Tesla properly, it will become a house.
Yeah.
That is what is gonna. Dude, I have a feeling if
it will need electricity.
Yeah, when yeah, you will just hook it up to a khamba, no? Dude, I'm telling you, when Tesla comes in India or like any of these electric cars come in India, regardless of how good the charging stations and all that, there is going to be a battery wala employing, like a new employment category will start, which is called battery wala. You'll have people on the streets just holding batteries. Kisko mangta hai battery? That's going to happen.
No, there are a lot of battery
On the
walas.
spot,
No, there are a lot of battery walas. This is one of those instances where you don't drive or whatever, so you don't.
No,
know.
I'm going to say there's going to be people holding batteries. What?
No, in the sense like not there are people who just have like a small kiosk which is just batteries and air or whatever. That is it.
That is the mending your battery or if
Yeah.
your battery is dead on. I'm saying there's going to जैसा रास्ते पे
अच्छा,
कोई
मतलब,
चीज
like
मिलता
bridge
है ना,
के नाके पे
हाँ वो
वगैरह
खड़ा
ऐसा
रहने वाला है कि तेरा
duster
अगर
cloth के साथ battery ऐसा.
yes that's going to be a thing
Maybe.
because we are not going to have enough charging points.
Hey, it'll take time, dude. It's going to take time. It's probably will be like if we survive to be 60, we'll be able to see like electric
Oh,
cars
an electric
everywhere
car.
and what- Yeah.
I had one when I was a kid. I used to drive it with the remote control.
I'm thinking what will be the Maruti this is a question. Okay. Will Maruti
Yes.
will Maruti be the Maruti of electric cars?
Yes. For
You
sure.
think so?
Yes.
You think so?
They'll
You
figure out
think-
a way. You know why? Because they will poach someone from. Now, this is not Maruti. This is all Indian companies. Okay, they'll poach someone from Tesla who knows everything about the car, and they'll hire him, and then they'll reverse engineer the whole thing at a cheaper cost.
Yeah, it's a very interesting question to ask, dude, because the whole brand of Maruti is dependent upon the affordability of it, right?
Yeah.
The fact that it's affordable to like the moment you're entering the lower middle class, guess what, buddy? You're getting a Maruti.
Yeah.
You know, it's a nice that way they have captured that part of the automotive industry market, but it's basically fossil fuel based till now.
That one seat in the front, shotgun seat, will be replaced, and
Yeah.
2-3 battery ka jagah rahega.
Yeah,
That's it.
yeah,
That's how
because-
Maruti is functioning.
Because I think Maruti is also going at that they have CNG capable whatever that thing CNG cars also.
Yeah.
And but they do not have. I do not know. Maybe they are having. I think all the automotive companies are going with R&D
Many have
when it comes to
CNG
EV.
capabilities.
No, CNG capabilities, yes, but I'm speaking
They are
about
researching.
research and
That
development
is the
regarding
Or-
electric cars.
And like electric cars का company का इसमें Tesla, the reason why it is profitable is because at this point it's selling emission credits to most of the companies. So it's
Yeah,
making
yeah,
most of his money through that only. So it's not
Okay.
electric cars. It's not selling Teslas that's making Tesla money.
Get
That's
it.
not a-
Get it. Yeah.
Which is why again
Which
scam है. Like ये scam है.
But then like a lot of companies then end up getting that na a lot of companies are sort of like that, like, you know, video games for example, they'll sell DLCs or they'll sell in-game content and whatnot for money, everything.
हाँ, but that's still a product.
Exactly.
It's
Apple,
a fuck all product.
Apple
But it's
for
still a
example, Apple this is also evidence that your hands are fidgety as fuck. See,
Yeah, man's a video.
yeah, I
What to do?
know. No, I'm just saying it's like Evil Dead, dude. It just does its own shit. But
It wakes up in the night.
yeah. But yeah, what were we speaking about? The
Tesla.
EV thing and Tesla and no, before that. Before
All
the
companies do.
handheld thing.
Apple makes stuff.
Huh. Apple, for example, faced a lot of flack for their charger bit or whatever. Like they were selling
Yeah.
stuff overpriced and whatnot. But then I like that's the thing, dude. Like you have to keep on. Scam hai, samajh mein aa raha hai mere ko, samajh mein aa raha hai, like, you know, like now that you say that, I'm reminded of Gaurav Kapoor show. Ye sab scam.
Sab scam hai.
Sab scam hai.
Yes.
That good show, man. If
You seen
it's, yeah, I had seen it when he was working on it and whatnot. It's fucking nice, yeah. Let's not speak about successful
need
comedians that
to-
we don't know well, though.
We need to talk about Babaji and food stall.
Oh yes,
That guy,
yeah. Oh my god, man. One of the other things that, see, like we've rarely met. Like we're meeting now for the recording of this podcast, as said, but otherwise we ended up writing also over Zoom. You know,
Yeah.
like so we've rarely met, but the world has just been doing both, like changing and not changing that much. Like, you know, when the change happens, it's so rapid and then it doesn't change. Like and it's been going on for so long. Like the pandemic. I mean, of course, I know, like, it's hopefully fucking coming to an end, but it's gone on for so long that this person, Babaji, you know, this old guy who had gone viral in the first lockdown, you know, because his food stall wasn't doing well. So, and then somebody tweeted or put it up on social media of some sort, and it gained a lot of traction, and a lot of people came up to eat at his place, and he was happy, dude, because he was earning money and whatnot.
Suddenly.
Yeah,
And
suddenly.
then he fired his social media guy.
Yeah. And then
What a fucking...
No.
You can have goodness in your heart. Let's see who you help.
it's basically he reacted in the same way that people react when in a casino. Like you win a little bit and you think I've cracked it. I have cracked it. Now this, I will make it work. I'll get money. I'll keep on. But then the poor fellow, you know, there was some misunderstanding between them, and then he lost all of the money. And then more people came and put in money and whatnot, and he opened up a restaurant or something like that.
You opened a restaurant and that didn't work.
That didn't work.
Because they are not coming for Babaji. They are coming for food.
Yeah. Or maybe, if you're being honest about it, they are coming over there to look good on their social media for some time and feel like they've done a nice thing.
That's the, honestly, like Babaji's life is actually the stock market index of human goodness.
Yeah.
That is what it is.
It has gone up and down,
Gone up
buddy.
and down.
It's been a roller coaster ride, you know, because the poor fellow
Honestly,
is...
Babaji was cooking at a stall. If he goes in the restaurant, the same food coming out of a thela is okay. Same food coming out of a restaurant is more disappointing.
Oh, yes.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. I understand
The
what you're
crash is
saying.
higher.
Yeah, the crash is higher. Yeah, no, I get that completely, dude. But the poor fellow isn't doing that well now again, to the extent that he had to come back to the thela, you know, from the
Back to
restaurant.
his roots.
Back to his roots. Yeah, man. And I was just
And
thinking,
now all social media people are away from it. Escape pass mat jana.
but they've moved on.
They're done.
Because it's so fickle. People are so fickle, and it's so easy to be fickle. Social media, the internet makes it so easy for you to care about something momentarily and superficially, dude. It's you know, it makes it so easy for people to do that they've moved on. Almost.
Yeah, and he did that also. Like he went back to his stall at the point where he would get the most pity. When someone tried to float a dog. You know that?
No, I don't know.
Someone tied helium balloons to their pet dog and tried to
Oh yeah,
float
that
it.
idiot. Oh my god.
Timing was bad, oh Babaji.
Oh my god, that idiot. Again, like he basically has seen that Up movie too many times.
Yeah.
You know.
He like, now dogs. We'll
And
figure that out.
when they were writing Up, I'm pretty sure one writer
should
must
we
have
try the
asked.
dog?
No.
Then?
One writer must have asked, is this safe? Nah? Like nobody would go out and try this, nah? And they were like, no. Who's stupid
tried?
enough to tie balloons and try to float away? And then there was one guy on the internet who decided to
They
do
were
that.
like, dude, trust me. We'll see this guy coming from a mile. If someone's tying balloons to their house,
Oh my god.
people will know before it starts flying.
No, but like the dog, like, come on, man. What are you even like, you know? And anyway, that happened.
Yeah.
But the thing that amazed me the most was pandemic has been going on for so long that I've been able to witness the back and forth of his luck, you know, in terms of people giving a shit and people not giving a shit. It's pretty...
What was his menu? Any idea?
No, man, but it was simple. It was not like, see, they were old anyway. Both of them, the couple, they're pretty old. And it was normal matar paneer and whatnot, stuff like that, I believe. That's it. Like nothing like, oh, like Michelin star. No. But decent, not even like extra shit. Like there's basic stuff and whatnot. Whatever they could do at their age, man. Like they can't afford to have a big menu, like, you know.
No, I'm wondering because no one has mentioned what they make. Even when I'm saying menu, okay, what is the one thing they make?
I don't know. There's roti sabzi. People came over there to feel good about themselves. They felt good and they left.
That's
They paid and they
imagine there's
left.
like all these people with smartphones standing Ahmed Babaji, and the actual people who go there for their 2 meals of the day were just like, "Kya bhe? My waiting time. This place has blown up, dude.
This place has blown up. I came here
I'm late
because
for my meal, and I haven't got one."
I'm a daily wage laborer. I get 15 minutes to eat food as
Yeah.
quickly as possible.
Yes.
And now people are getting selfies with me, dude. They're taking
They've run
selfies.
out. They've run. This place never ran out. This place never ran out of food. It was just for me.
Damn, dude. But all right, Babaji ka thing is that what else? What else are we going to
That
speak
reminds me. My dad made lunch for me today.
about? Oh, your dad did?
Yes.
Oh, by the way, just
Thing
to
is,
set up the... Okay, go
He
ahead.
didn't ask me. He just brought it in front of me and gave me. So now, like, oh shit, the emotion. Like, now I have to eat it.
Oh.
He's just given it to me.
So, you have no leverage in that
No.
scenario.
I can't be like, I'm not eating this.
Also, like, just to put things into perspective, because of course you guys don't know it, but my friend, so I know the shit that is going on in his life. His dad was unwell. Cancer, right?
Yes.
What sort of? The getting
He
cured
had
kind.
Almost cured.
Almost cured.
Like the progress bar is at 90% now.
nice. That's
90.
good.
That's good. That's great
hope.
in cancer.
That's great.
We won against cancer.
yeah. It's good enough. Like,
Dad also thinks that. Hence the meal.
hence the meal. Like I think because that I was talking to you about this on the phone also, and basically it's first of all. As a comedian and a writer, how can we not talk
course
about
we have
this?
to talk about it.
You know,
Dude.
the fact that your dad is a very clear-cut live example of how a disease, a terminal illness affects somebody. You know, they just the hope comes in every department. You know, like your dad just was like, yeah, I'm cured. I can cook. I can. You know.
No, he can cook.
He
He's
can?
just- he does cook for himself. He lives
Okay.
in Ankleshwar, so he does cook for himself.
Okay.
But I can tell that he's not getting any feedback for food.
Yeah. He's not giving himself
Dude,
feedback.
it sometimes when he cooks, it feels like that's his way of punishing me. Dude, in today's meal, I know he put garlic because I tasted all of it in 1 spoon.
Oh my God, dude.
Dude, I just bit in and I was like, oh, all of it is in here.
Oh my
Nice.
God, dude. But see, I think that will happen for some time because I think the last couple of months were so chaotic for all of you in the family because of
Yeah.
his illness that it's crazy. It's madness to like. It will take time for
Yeah,
him to
yeah.
process it and
This
whatnot.
positive vibe
Yeah,
needs to dissipate.
because
One meal at a time.
no, because I remember you telling me that there is a lot of positivity that is reflecting in other aspects of his life
Yeah.
also.
So,
Like,
like he also has Parkinson's,
Yeah.
which was diagnosed 1 year before the cancer.
okay, so it came in that order,
Huh.
like Parkinson's first, 1 year, then cancer.
Then cancer.
Surprise.
Like, you remember the shaking?
Yeah.
And now here's another. So, yeah, it's like he got it with the regularity of Christmas gifts.
Yeah.
Same thing. Anyway, but now he's saying that I think my Parkinson's is gone. Like, he's just blanket telling me it's gone. My hands are not vibrating.
The chemo has cured Parkinson's.
No. That's not how it works. It cost a lot, but it was still for that one disease only.
It didn't cover everything.
Not everything.
Like your dad would not be expecting headaches anymore. Like everything is
He's
sorted.
like,
dude.
everything should be. This is now the first year of the next 100 years start. That's my dad's mentality.
Damn, dude. But it's nice to hear that he's doing well now.
Yeah. And I remember, I remember Mohammed Sohail doing this joke where like cancer, because of corona, cancer ki value
Wait.
kam ho gaya.
Is it out? The
Yeah, it's
joke?
out. It's out. it's out.
Okay.
So he was doing this joke that cancer, like corona ka वजह से cancer की value कम हो गया. I'm like, no, there's still a lot of people.
Still a lot of
know what are you talking
Yeah.
about? And there's a lot of value for cancer.
Yeah.
Anything that kills you, there's a lot of
Basically, let's just understand that we are so fragile
Huh.
that there are many things that can take care of us. Okay,
Yeah.
in a bad way, like many things that can screw us up. All right.
Yeah.
So there's no bringing it down to one thing.
Dude, the marketing of cancer is also so funny. I saw a board of this whatever hospital saying that we are ready. When you get cancer, we are ready. Like cancer 0, you 1. Cancer needs only 1 point to win.
And it would be hilarious if there's a tapri, right? Because of course it's a hospital,
Of
so
course
there is
there's a tapri with cigarette. with examples of how what cancer
Yeah,
looks
somebody
like.
smoking, they're looking at.
Yeah.
Oh, you're ready. Good.
Yeah.
All right. Cool. That's good to know. Oh man.
What next?
Let's see. We have something going. How long have we been going on for? More than an hour? Exact 1 hour. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. What
Nice,
else do we
nice.
have meant to discuss? We
We
discussed
were-
something because, well, it's our first episode, so we don't want to be caught off guard, with our tongue tied and not having anything to speak
I'm
about.
glad.
So we had.
I'm glad 1 hour. Bro.
Yeah, of
It's
course.
so good.
Of course, it feels nice, dude, to get up to an hour of just talking stuff. This is basically what a green room
Should be.
should be, and in
And it's
few
more
places, in a few places there was an actual green room. So let's just start there. And amongst those places, there were few places where the green rooms are like nice. Where you have a nice, healthy. That nervousness is a healthy nervousness.
Yeah.
It's a nice rotation of just blathering about anything, like just making fun of anything that comes to mind. What all had we discussed, man? It was
We
so
thought
crazy.
we have to tell people the difficulties we face making this podcast.
Oh yeah, my God.
We were
dude.
fighting against the elements. 2
First
days
of all,
ago.
let's just understand that ambition can only work to an extent.
Yeah.
Okay. You can be as ambitious as you want and plan everything. Like we had decided to put or launch this podcast.
Yes,
launch it. Fucking retard.
What
Launch
did
the
they
podcast.
have a word? Did they use launch before
Boat.
space?
You used to launch
Acha,
boats
okay, used to
into
launch
water.
boats.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
So launch boats, and you did it with a champagne, basically.
Yeah.
A member of a royal
Broke.
family or somebody just poop, or a captain or whatever. But crazy things, rituals. I can't imagine all the fish just getting surprised by champagne. Like what the hell,
Dude, glass pieces.
Glass pieces,
Just
yeah.
like,
But coming back to the nice thing that we were speaking about,
Yes.
the fact that we thought we would launch this podcast somewhere like May before that, around
Definitely March.
March.
So the plan was like 2 years ago.
Oh yeah, of course that was the initial germination of कि ऐसा कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा.
1 year
because-
ago, we were serious.
Yeah, because
We recorded an episode also.
oh yes.
And we didn't do anything
No,
about it.
because see, the first pandemic, the first lockdown took us by surprise. So we thought we might go ahead with the podcast in the first lockdown.
No, we got work also at that time.
But then we were writing a show
work
also,
also,
and but the balancing of two things is
Headache.
too difficult as such, and that is why we thought ki also it's not nicely done. Like we would have done it on Zoom, and there would have been
Yeah.
issues, and it's not as good as. That's why taking into consideration everything that is going on now, this setup is safe. Like
Yeah.
it's the house. There's nobody. There's a fucking skeleton crew that we have, and so basically it's sorted. But the first lockdown happened, and it came to an end. Things opened up a little bit, in between, just a breathing space, and we got the logo done and stuff like that. And we were like, we are going to do this now. We're going to do this, and the second lockdown
happened, yeah.
I'm like, all right, so we have everything sorted. We've painted a wall of the house black, and we have the logo, and we have the setup, and we have our friends helping us out as well. Everything is going amazing, right? And
Then June comes.
yeah, and then we are like, okay, fine. Now the things are easing out a bit and whatnot, in the sense that at least we can set stuff up in the house and record without any issues as such,
And then it rains.
then the weather decides to exert its power.
Yeah. It's like, तुमको किसने बोला?
Yeah. Like we were thinking about like recording it on Wednesday, like a couple of days ago anyway, and a thunderstorm warning.
Yeah.
A thunderstorm, dude, out of nowhere. Like we looked, I remember we saw outside the window, and then we ended up calling out the guys who are helping us with the setup of this whole place also. Shout out to Pawan Shenawa and Amaya Mahale, Riptide Films. We got on a conference call in the morning at 7:30 and we basically asked each other,
Should we?
विंडो के बाहर दिख रहा है ना? हाँ दिख रहा है. नहीं होने वाला है. नहीं होएगा. नहीं. And at least we still had that ambition, right? Because we are just like stage time whores. We just want to be we just want to be saying something. Yeah. We just want to be saying something. So we were like, yeah, no, but it's fine. We can. And they were like, no, there's such a thing as sound, and people will be listening to it. you know, and you don't want a podcast to be like an ASMR video.
Like, you don't want that.
You don't want that.
You don't want it to sound like you're inside God's gargling mouth.
Yeah.
You don't want that.
You don't want that, you know. And it was basically
Yeah, and at one point I just like, do I have to fight the weather now?
You can't.
Do I
You
just
just-
scream? This is something we were thinking also, that climate change is the wrong thing we are worried about. We should be
Yeah.
talking about climate control.
Yeah.
And this is we
Yeah.
need to start doing actions that
Yeah.
get us the weather we want.
like we would be truly developed when we have a regulator for sky.
For sky, yeah.
You know,
Bus.
change the regulator.
Thoda kam kar, thoda. This is broken.
Yeah, but that's the thing, you know. Then the same thing that happens in an office will happen in the world. Somebody will be like, "It's too cold, it's too hot, it's too nonsense." People, man, people. That's the thing. But we are recording a podcast for
it's
people
happening.
only. Yeah, it's happening, and we're doing it for people. We fucking hope people listen to this. Alright, you listen to a lot of different things. You see a lot of Fast and Furious 9
Oh yeah.
is out there entertaining people. Give this a chance also. Okay, if you
Yeah.
can just listen to
Vin
the
Diesel
same.
in a car.
Yeah.
But you know why Vin Diesel is chosen? Because you can't tell his age.
Dude, first of all, Fast and Furious is called F9. Okay, so they are running out of numbers.
Keyboard.
They're running out of numbers on the keyboard.
Yeah.
Secondly, I just read that on the news. Ki F9, Fast and Furious 9, has made $250 million. 200 odd, give or take a few $1 million, were made only from the Chinese box office. Only from China, dude. And I was like, you guys open theaters to this extent? What the hell, dude?
You guys are supporting the American economy like that.
Like that, $200 million, and that's why John Cena apologized, man. Like he had referred to Taiwan as a country, and immediately,
Sorry guys.
immediately some studio executive was like,
Now
200 million.
they need to see you.
No, not even that. The executive, the agent must have just called up John and been like, 200 million. Okay, please do the needful. And immediately John Cena is, come on, movie career after wrestling, I've been through enough shit. I've fallen, broken back, all of that. Okay, now just let me be. And you know what role John Cena has?
What?
He's, first of all, the whole theme about Fast and Furious movies is family. Familia, everybody all together, you know.
They don't look of different ages though.
It's diverse family, everybody, diversity here, all nice, you know. And when it comes to the whole thing, if Fast and Furious movies are like Bagban with Vin Diesel, that is no, because that is how much that is the level of referencing.
मेरा चश्मा टूट गया है मेरे को ड्राइविंग करने को नहीं हो रहा.
No, I'm honest, dude. I'm honest. Like the amount of times they refer to family as a societal institution in that movie is ridiculous. Every movie it is that. But you know what's the loophole in that storyline? The family member coming back to fuck the new diverse family is one of Vin Diesel's family members.
Actual family members.
Actual family members. So here he is making a new family and telling all have to be together, all have to stick together and whatnot. Family is the most important thing. And fucker, your only family members are coming to kill us. Like who's John Cena playing? His old wicked brother, like younger wicked brother, who is a part of his old life. Old life मतलब कितना old मालूम है? Before first Fast and Furious movie.
You're explaining the plot of a Fast and Furious movie.
Exactly. That in itself is walking the
Sacrilege.
edge of.
This is, how dare you explain?
The,
How dare you?
it's walking the edge of.
Just watch those action scenes and we go home.
It's all that. It's all that, and that's why it makes sense. It made that much money. People in a pandemic want to see cars blow up and whatnot.
Yeah,
It's
now
cool.
now they really want to see
Yeah, yeah.
cars fly.
Yeah.
Cars
Exactly.
on the road will not be enough.
Exactly.
Cars need to fly now.
Yeah. They need to fly. They need to do crazy things.
Yeah.
But so in this one, like John Cena is apparently the younger brother.
You think if you write Cars, the animated movie ka script,
Yeah.
you know, considering what Cars and Fast and Furious are doing, you can just write Cars, the movie ka script and into Fast and Furious. You can just do that.
No, don't do that.
You can just do that.
Don't do that. You're ruining a nice animated movie for kids also. Like, this is collateral damage.
Dude,
now.
as
Don't
it is,
do
Disney
that.
will come with a darker
No,
version
no.
like they did
No,
with
no.
Dumbo and whatnot.
No. Dumbo was meant to basically tell you that human beings are terrible to animals. And it was a Tim Burton movie. So there's a big difference. Tim Burton does not make movies for. Let's not go niche. This is what we were discussing Tim Burton on the first episode of our podcast. But he's a brilliant filmmaker, crazy fucker who made Edward Scissorhands and whatnot. But
he makes Johnny Depp just play Jack Sparrow again and again. No.
no, that's the Disney movie.
Oh, that's a Disney.
Yeah,
Sorry,
yeah. My God, dude, how dare you? He's the one who makes
Johnny
good shit
Depp
with
who?
Johnny Depp.
At the start.
Yeah. But it's always a fancy dress competition. That's a Tim Burton thing, But as far as movies are concerned, dude, if people are watching that for interest, they can definitely give our podcast a chance. I mean, come on, why not?
You're still selling the pod.
I'm selling it, buddy. I
we're
told you.
1 hour
I
in.
am.
Now
pouring
they are
myself
sold.
out. Okay.
Now
alright,
they
cool.
are sold.
Okay.
Now
Alright,
they're like,
good.
oh, this is my favorite podcast.
Okay, all right, we are going with that level of confidence. Let's go ahead with that.
Confidence is what the world needs, no?
Yeah, I mean, if there's confidence enough for them to make F9 and then F10, we can go ahead. Yeah, come on, let's not. Humility can sometimes.
This is new confidence I got on loan from Vin Diesel.
Yeah.
Dwayne Johnson, Cameron. They just give confidence on loan.
Yeah.
I don't need it. I have too much. Here, take some.
He is Dwayne Johnson. He's the physical manifestation of confidence.
Yeah.
He's just a muscle of confidence. That is what Dwayne Johnson is.
There is a good chance, like if aliens and all land, they'll dress him up as president.
I don't see. I can't. It's difficult for me to imagine Rock scared.
Yeah,
like,
no.
That
will be the most valuable NFT.
Oh, the most
see
valuable.
Rock. That's it.
Sold.
Oh my God, I got this.
Sold.
And only I can watch it. Rock comes at you angry at something. They're like, "Ye dekh." You are afraid of whatever spiders.
Yeah, spiders legitimately you should be afraid of. But I can't just see him.
If you're in Australia,
And
yes.
That's the thing, dude. Like Rock is the next. Like he has basically taken over that space which Arnold had created almost.
Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Yeah, Arnold
And he
Schwarzenegger
fits also properly.
Yeah, because Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Six pack, everything.
I've realized one thing: the big character trait of all roles of Arnold throughout his career had problem solving. Like he was solving some problem. Arnold, like Commando, he's rescuing his daughter and killing all of the bad men. Terminator, he's coming back to kill and then coming back to save and then coming back to how many were Terminators they made. Kindergarten Cop, even that movie he was saving the children. He's solving problems. Like because people basically looked at Arnold and said, he looks so strong, he will solve it. He's jacked up, he has muscles and whatnot. That dude, he put him in any problematic situation, he'll solve it. And the same character graph can be said about The Rock.
Yeah.
Like all of his movies.
WWE was him solving problems.
Yeah.
We just mostly by saying it doesn't matter what you think.
Or
interrupting people.
Or can you smell?
Can you smell?
Yeah. Can you imagine he solved people's problems when they came to watch him wrestle?
Yeah.
Like he entertained them and made them forget their bullshit lives by saying, can you smell what the Rock? He made the eyebrow thing work,
Yeah, dude. I was 8 years old and everybody is like, oh, one.
He just made one expression go viral. Like that is what he did with the eyebrow, at that point.
Imagine what a waste of the rest of the body.
No, but he hasn't. That's why the movie career. Movie career has the rest of his body.
It's like the rest of the body is like eyebrows. You can retire now.
Yeah.
We'll do the rest of
No, now the eyebrow will be a callback.
Yeah.
In movies.
Every time.
Whenever he hears something, the turn around and then the eyebrow thing.
Sir, ek baar.
Yeah.
ho jaye.
Like he's standing and then, from behind they're taking this shot and then he's standing and then there's some creature monster noise and then he looks over his shoulder with the eyebrow like, fuck you, I'll fuck you up.
The
also.
monster is like, oh!
Yeah.
The Rock!
Oh, man. That's why I found it very hilarious that, some people were mentioning his name a couple of years ago for the presidential run and whatnot. And he has said that he doesn't know a lot, but he might be. And if that happens, crazier things have happened.
Oh, it'll be fun, dude.
it will be madness. Can you imagine the United
I will-
Nations
I
with The
will-
Rock in it?
Can you smell?
Dude, while suggesting American policies, he'll be benching like crazy, you know, because he'll be playing that psychological warfare. Like he's
Yeah.
with like some other country's diplomat and whatnot, and then you can just see him like bench pressing like 200, 300 kilograms, like 500 pounds. Who's going to say no to him? Who's going to be like, no, I don't agree with your policies, President Dwayne Johnson.
The
You can't-
Rock.
The Rock, Dwayne.
Which is also
President.
other name for the world.
The President, The Rock. We can't say like, come on, man, it's not going to happen. But it might.
People
Who knows?
will, dude.
Who knows? The
Because it's a
celebrityness, the celebrity part of it has come into politics. Like having celebrities helps. A lot of people are hired. A lot of celebrities are hired in campaigning and whatnot, dude. So having a celebrity on your side helps a lot, definitely. Being a
Influencer.
celebrity helps. Yeah. What a terrible word that is, right?
Yeah, more like
Influencer.
manipulator.
Yeah, because that is what it is. Because whenever we speak about it, it's not good to have so much of influence over somebody. You know, that's basically the advice that people give each other.
Dude,
like,
there is
it's
this-
not good.
There is this hilarious thing. There's this guy called. This happened on the internet. There's this guy called. What's his name? Fuck it. Go ahead.
Okay, go ahead.
I
Forget.
forgot.
Yeah, it's
Forgot.
fine. It's fine. Brain farts happen. We are all getting old, getting stuck in the house. There's no vitamin D. Dude, whenever I get out in the sun, I feel so nice.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Because, you know, I almost feel like the baldness makes it easy to absorb vitamin D.
My skull is getting
Yeah.
stronger. I will hit you with my head now if you irritate me.
But see, this is the sort of stupid shit that is fun, right, to talk about. This nonsense. Because this is what I think a lot of people are missing. You know, just
Yeah,
in terms
nonsense.
of
No, every
nonsense.
conversation is very high octane.
Yeah.
This is we did opinions,
Yeah, but chill.
talked
chill
and
with
we
the
are chill.
opinion. Yeah, chill with the opinion.
and
Don't
everybody
go
is just
crazy.
like, ah.
Yeah.
That's what Clubhouse is doing. It's giving
Yeah.
everyone their own news show where you can come scream at each
Nah,
other.
like it almost feels like echo chambers. You know, you are just having rooms which are now
Digital echo
legit,
chambers now.
legit digital echo chambers.
Yeah.
You know, you're just giving them a proper
Find
construct.
the people who you want to sadao your brain with
Yeah.
very
Yeah.
easily.
Yeah. Not to shit on Clubhouse, you know, but that's the thing, dude. There's
No, but
only
90% of any there's going to be Clubhouse pay that one eclectic discussion.
Oh, yes.
With legit people.
No,
but then
but-
everyone else is going to have crap.
Exactly. No, but that's the thing. That's just what I say because
Hmm.
it's like my thing. Like, yeah, not to shit on and then shit on. Like, you know, but
No. I think we need to be we need to get. That's what I keep saying. We need to get judgment back.
Haan, yaar.
We need to start judging things.
Because you know, as a comedian also, it's a scary thing, dude. Like a scary thing in what way? I'll tell you. Maybe I'm just dated. Maybe I'm getting old or what, I don't know. But the fact that as a comedian, you know, your career, social media, the internet plays such a big role in your career. Like, look at us. Okay, because of the radical times, we decided to go ahead with the podcast, even though we do not have recorded videos out, you know, as such. And some
Yeah, we are
people might-
stand-up comedians whose first piece of work is not stand-up. Like first piece of public work.
Yeah,
is
it's
not
not
stand-up.
stand up. You know, it's a
Yeah.
podcast. And but at the same time, that decision is also dependent upon the fact that we sort of understand how the internet works. Like at this point of time, it's just better to put out content in this manner. You know, once things open up safely and properly, and shows can happen socially distanced or without, and you know, safely without this fucking disease ruining our shit. We can't record anything, but we can record this. You know, and social media, like anything else, is a way of representing yourself and getting in touch with the audience, creating an audience base, all of those things, you know, which you think might work out as far as this thing is concerned, the podcast or whatever else we do. And then Facebook was there. YouTube became a big medium for comedians, you know, in terms of stand-up videos and whatnot. But now if you diversify it, it somehow becomes then you're almost only creating content for social media and not being a comedian. You know, that is also like a fear that I have.
That's because most of the stuff on the internet is the whole transaction happens on the internet only. Like influencers and all this stuff. You're on the internet. It's like being on TV.
Yeah.
The whole point of being on TV is to be on TV. So like, funnily enough, even though we have like a situation where internet and life is one second.
Yeah.
Where internet
Just
and
be
life
careful
is,
with the wire. Just a moment. There's some sort of don't
Okay.
fiddle with it a lot.
Okay, so just
Yeah.
as like we keep saying that the internet is interfacing with our life so much and whatnot, we keep talking about that. Actually, in this manner, in the entertainment manner, the internet is becoming its own thing. It's
Yeah.
separate. Just as we switch off the TV, we are switching off the internet.
Yeah.
Let's
yeah.
make this funny now.
Yeah, I know we will. I'm just looking at some static thing. Let's look at. Yeah, we can hear some static. It just started. It's with Noel's thing. All right, apologies for that static, ladies and gentlemen. See, as I had mentioned before, Noel has Evil Dead hands. He is what is that? What was that?
Work it out yourself. Work out your insults.
He's an asshole with his hands. I'll make
You
it
gave
easy
up
for
on
myself. I gave up on work. Yes, to insult you, I'll put in work. Fuck you. You made the mistake of having fuck all hands. Okay, so you're going to basically this happens from time to time where even if he's sitting with the helmet, he'll fuck around with the. He's basically preparing for poverty almost. Where he like tutter, he's getting used to it.
And I associated with you so much. So,
Yeah.
so you're going to be my path to poverty.
Yeah. I'll be the guy who cuts off your legs. We need to earn money somehow, Noel. One of us needs to have the sympathy
As
covered.
long as you're singing. Because I'm a bad singer.
Plus, you're a minority, so it helps.
No. When you stop washing yourself daily, you stop being anything.
Let's not go ahead and imagine terrible futures for both of us, because both of us are doing this
I think
podcast.
it's a good practice.
It's a good practice from time to time.
Now
Okay.
is
Yeah.
poverty.
Yeah. No, the poverty o'clock happened. With the tutter. Now it's happened. But anyway, that was the reason for the static, and we do not want fucking you to feel like you're using a radio and listening to BBC presenters. Nothing wrong with BBC presenters, but
Stop! Those poor guys are dead.
Yeah.
And they also complained about the static.
Yeah.
They didn't like static.
Yeah.
So you're not
Good,
fucking
good.
on them. You're telling them
Yeah.
static is bad throughout.
Static is terrible. Anyway, I remember static is not a part of my life anymore because of smart TVs and whatnot. You never see static. You never see that.
Yeah.
Never. The modern static is the buffering ring.
Yeah.
That's the modern static. Like
True.
we have taken care of it.
Stopping.
Yep. I don't want to see the black and white dots which remind me of horror
That
movies.
comes on
which I have seen.
IGTV.
Oh yeah, it comes
That
on.
shit comes on. Oh my god.
Yeah. It
90s.
Comes, yeah.
Is that why it's there?
I think that's why they call it
Like,
IGTV.
even when we are not working, we are making you feel nostalgia.
Who knows if that's the case, or they just wanted to call it something retro and give it that retro look, so you have static on IGTV. Your smartphone looks dumb. Why would you do that? But before the static thing, what were we discussing? I thought we were on a roll. We were discussing
were
something
talking some
about
shit
the Dwayne, the Rock Johnson, and then the fact
dude.
that all of that. But yeah, this is going to happen on podcasts. You're going to have trains of thought
And then
going
just
about.
disappear.
And then just disappear. Yeah, but that is what we want to do. I mean,
We're talking about anime.
and oh yes.
You've been watching a lot of new anime.
Oh yeah, because I've realized one thing. Anime is I sort of get it now.
Huh.
When I've started watching it, I've sort of realized why it has such a huge fan base. Across demographics, age demographics, geographical demographics, Dragon Ball Z and whatnot end up helping cut through. Like even now, if you were speaking about nostalgia, right? Like Dragon Ball Z, dude, big nostalgic pill that people take from time to time. And I realized that anime is basically you're just condensing the storyline, the action, the animation, everything to basic human emotions, which then you stretch out in the scene.
Yeah.
Like a person doesn't feel anger.
He feels continuous anger.
Continuous anger with 3-minute monologue.
Yeah. And flashback.
And flashback. And like Inception level flashback. Like generation. It's like hatred which has festered and now it's coming out. And then suddenly because of that, your anger has colors. Things blow up and whatnot. And it's
He remembered something. Thank God for childhood trauma.
Yeah, exactly, right? And that childhood trauma to the rescue. I was discriminated against. Now I'll save this village. That's basically.
Yeah. It's like if you find any weird kid, beat him.
Yeah.
Like global warming is a problem. bully someone.
That the bullying will lead to problems. So I think some comedian had a bit.
Oh, Chris Rock has
yeah,
it.
Chris
I
Rock
think
had
bullying
it.
is coming
Yeah,
back
yeah,
in a big way.
yeah. Speaking about the anime thing, it's pretty crazy, man. It's pretty. I mean, the way they employ narrative techniques is so different.
Yeah, yeah.
And
No, by the way, there's one thing though. Every anime is same. Even though you're saying they show it in a different way because they always have that one thing. Like in Pokemon, it's pets. In Beyblade, it's tops.
yeah.
That's why it feels different. That's all.
Yeah.
But the whole thing is the same. You want to get stronger, hit your head to the rock.
Yeah.
Same thing.
So exactly,
Same
that's what.
thing.
So
Why is he stronger than you? He hits his head on the rock 10 times more than you.
yeah. So it's like you have almost like basic life affirmations
Huh.
reminded through
It's
the
every
character.
motivational quote.
Yeah, condensed into, and that's why people like, because they almost want to experience that level of hero suddenly life change, everything
Yeah.
is sorted now, I'll fix
आज
it.
से life अलग है.
I'll fix it. I'll get it, but it's a
But
slippery
like
slope.
in case of Dragon Ball Z, it's more like life because the Frieza fight was like 50 episodes.
Dude,
So it's like
मेरे साथ इतना
आज
चीटिंग हुआ था वो फ्रीजा सागा के वक्त, because first of all Maharashtrian, so dad had monopoly on remote control and we were not allowed to watch cartoon, especially Japanese cartoon. तो my dad couldn't even process कि क्या देखते
Their
पागल
hair
है क्या
is
तू,
not proper.
गधा येड़ा ऐसा कुछ भी दिखता
their
है,
hair.
अंडा माफिक दिखता है लोग, ये ड्रैगन बॉल जी का इसमें, because all monsters and whatnot na. So he used to get pissed. So neighbor Christian auntie, very nice.
To the rescue.
Her kindness to the rescue, the religion to the rescue. She's like, she used to be very kind and nice, and she used to allow me to watch Dragon Ball Z at her place. And because every Friday for an hour or something, that is it. So we used to go. And I used to go and watch it at her. Like I used to basically treat her house like my house, and just be that. And they were kind enough to allow me. And I was so excited to follow the storyline when I was a child of that whole Frieza saga. And then when Frieza arrives, they restarted the thing.
Oh, they used to do that. Yeah.
Oh my God. I used to be like, are you kidding me, man? Do you not understand? I've invested time into this, dude. What are you starting with the first episode again, man?
This is not done.
Yeah, but again, the same thing, the affirmation thing, like it gets affirmed, you need to push through it. If shit gets difficult, you just need to pull it together, and on an individual level, just kill it. But that's also why many Japanese people kill themselves. Suicide rate is crazy, dude, in Japan. So that individual, pressure of like just everything being an individual drive and individually, focusing on something.
Frieza Saga was the first time I realized I made the right decision in life. When I when I stopped watching Dragon Ball Z, I was like, this is too much.
Oh yeah.
And then I saw all my friends were like, khatam hi nahi ho raha, khatam hi nahi ho raha. And I was just like, yes, I jumped that ship at the right time.
Oh yeah.
That is good. I'm on the path to something right.
Yeah.
My grandfather didn't allow me. Same case. He didn't allow me. Not because he had monopoly over report or anything. I figured out later on he was actually scared of the drawings. He was like, I won't be able to sleep at night if I watch this.
Oh my God, dude. Yeah, because again of the animation.
Yeah, he's old.
He's old.
His mind could not process. He had like, I think the reason why the world was in black and white media for so long is because it was too bad in color. And black and white was actually soothing.
After a certain age, you are running out of boxes to tick in terms of how much change you can accept in life.
Yeah.
And
that is true.
Your grandfather from the Fiat driving taxi days and whatnot to now Japanese cartoons, and it's not possible, dude. From a time when there was radio.
Like computers.
Like your grandfather saw radio, he saw television, he saw color TV, he saw all of that transition, and at anime he was like, no, stop. My world has changed enough.
Yeah. I'm not compatible with this universe anymore.
Yeah.
There are no new updates coming.
Yeah.
In fact, things are disappearing. Okay. Please stop.
But what else? Do you want to wrap up? Shall we wrap up? What's the scene? Guys, what do you think? Should we? Yeah. How long has it been? 1.5 hours. 1.5 hours. Good. I think we should wrap up. All right.
Chalo.
So basically,
This is Radical Measures podcast.
Yep, this is the first episode.
Yeah, we may cut this up into different parts. Follow us on Insta and whatnot.
Oh, I'll do that. Don't worry.
तू है.
मैं जॉब लिया वो, मैं रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लिया वो, टेंशन मत ले तू. करेगा. So, ladies and gentlemen, see, I started good. This brings us to the end of the first episode. Strong start. This brings us to the end of the first episode of Radical Measures podcast. Please do follow us on Instagram. We are on Instagram and that camera. I had somebody who was pointing at a camera. This is why we need people who are technically proficient, okay? Because as comedians, we can be stupid. We can just start staring at that corner of the table and then just start, so looking into the camera. Yes. You're acting. You're preparing a monologue.
No, but I have that camera. I say whatever I really think into that.
Oh, that's the case. Well, we'll just take it out and edit. All right. That's why we have 3 different cameras.
It's so good they will not take it.
Oh, please, you fucking asshole. Your reflection sometimes doesn't deserve your attention. And you're speaking about this. But anyway.
Your efforts don't deserve that.
Yeah, our efforts. This podcast again. Okay. So calm down with that bullshit, okay? So, so this brings us to the end of the first episode of Radical Measures podcast. Please do follow us on Instagram. Please do follow us on other social media websites that we will try to venture onto. We will be releasing this on YouTube, Spotify, RSS feed, not RSS feed. What is that?
I have no clue.
What is some
See, I thought you
feed.
took the job.
Yeah.
What is this?
It's my first day. Okay, it's my first day. Cut me some slides. The first episode. But we'll be releasing this on multiple mediums. Right?
Yeah, there will be Spotify. There'll
be Spotify. There'll be other things that will be releasing this podcast on.
You'll come to know on Instagram where it's coming.
Yeah, you'll come to know on Instagram. Do share it if you've liked it. If you've laughed at it.
Gaurav.v.Pawar.
Gaurav.v.Pawar. Noel.
Cordero Noel. The names will come down.
Yeah, we'll put them up, all of our Instagram things also. Please don't follow us on Facebook. We don't care. We are not on Facebook. We don't want to.
Karlo. If you're on Facebook, follow it. Now I can't help
you. Don't. We'll focus on Insta.
Yeah, I mean, it's enough.
There's too many things to... Come on, man.
Watch the ads of this video, though.
Yeah, watch the
ads. Are there ads? I don't know. Don't press the skip ad button. Whatever.
Yeah, I don't know how this is going to work. We're just going to fall into money. That's what we are imagining. Tomorrow I'm buying Bitcoin. This is what we are going to be doing. But let's be practical, all right? Honest. I've come back to the level, all right? To humility. Okay? To humility.
Now you want
yes.
humility.
So this is our new venture. This is our first episode. So if you've enjoyed it a bit, if you've laughed at a few places and whatnot, then please do share it with your friends, assholes like you who will appreciate the same sense of humor. Please do share it with them. Follow us on Instagram, follow us on YouTube, Spotify, all of the other places where you get podcasts, and survive, motherfuckers, survive. Okay, take care of yourselves. All right, and it's a wrap. Sorted.
Good job, guys.
Oh gosh.
Hello, Baba.
Episode 1 done.